Hey there, I'm Nick Popovich, PlexTrac Hacker in Residence. Welcome to the PlexTrac ProTips, a video series of quick tips and tricks for maximizing how you use PlexTrac. Brought to you by me and my fellow PlexTrac super users to share cool features and uses that we hope will make your work even more effective and efficient. Have a unique PlexTrac use case or tip of your own? Share in the comments. Now, let's get to our pro tip.
Hey, it is a great day to PlexTrac. Today, we're going to be working with statuses and substatuses. From our dashboard, navigate to our list of clients, select a client, and a report. I can now see all associated findings to that report, as well as the status of each finding. I can see that these have a status of closed and substatuses of mitigated and accepted. Substatuses are great because they can be customized to your organization and your workflow. Let's go ahead and hop into one of these findings. You now see the details of that finding, any associated assets. Click on the status. From here, we can link a Jira or ServiceNow ticket. Today, we're just going to do an update. All of my substatuses that are associated with my open status are listed here. Similarly, I've got a list of closed substatuses associated with my closed status and the ones that make sense for in process. Today, we're going to assign this one to Ron. Just going to give it a substatus of assigned. You can add any updates here. This is a nice collaboration piece. You can collaborate between clients, between departments. Whoever has access to findings can make updates and notes here for the teams to see. All right, we can see that that's now updated. From here, let's look at how to create custom substatuses. So we'll hop into the admin dashboard, general settings. From here, we can see our open, in process, and closed status boxes, what substatuses that I've custom built. These would normally be blank, but I've prepared all of these. You can just add whatever you like here. And it's as easy as that to create custom substatuses. Again, these are great because they go along well with your workflow. Also, they can be used for advanced filtering in our analytics module. However, that's another video. I appreciate your time today, and we'll see you again next time.